Hello, today I will be presenting on AI in games. In this presentation, I will briefly introduce the history of AI in games, explain how modern game AI systems work, discuss recent developments in the industry, and finally look at the ethical concerns. So AI has been part of games far longer than we think. One of the earliest milestones was IBM's Deep Blue, which defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1997. This showed that machines could not only calculate moves, but actually outthink the human opponent. And the second major milestone is with StarCraft 2. StarCraft requires real-time decisions, incomplete information, and strategic adaptation. DeepMind's AlphaStar learned entirely from experience, analyzing thousands of matches, and eventually reached a level strong enough to defeat pro-level players. The first is decision making, which controls how NPCs behave. Techniques like finite state machines and behavior trees let characters react intelligently. For instance, in Last of Us, enemies communicate, flank, and adjust their strategy based on how the player behaves, and they move according to you. It creates real-world situations and responsive encounters with NPCs. The second is strategic AI. It's much more larger scale than the first one. It handles big picture decisions. An example would be a Total War series where AI manages armies, resources, and tactical positioning. The third one is learning AI, or you can call adaptive AI too. It reacts to the player's behavior. For instance, in Alien Isolation, the alien tracks how you hide, how much noise you make, and which routes you prefer. It uses that information to hunt you more effectively each time. So basically, it learns, it studies you. And current AI news right now. The first one is Ubisoft Ghostwriter. Ubisoft Lab Forge introduced Ghostwriter, a generative AI tool designed to help writers. It creates like first draft NPC dialogues, which writers can then edit and refine. Here, like the goal isn't replacement, it's to reduce repetitive work and speed up the production in large open world games. This news came in 2023, I think. And the second case is No Man's Sky's procedural world generation. They use advanced procedural generation combined with AI-driven rule set. The game can generate a universe of over 18 quintillion planets, each with unique terrain, creatures, weather, and structures. Every world is generated in real time through the deterministic algorithms, ethical and critical concerns of AI in games. I will try to be quick in here. So the first one is creative displacement. As AI handles more tasks, the need for large teams of writers or artists may decrease. The second is transparency. Players may not know when content is AI generated or like human made. EU has an article about that, and content must include transparency, whether it's AI or like human made. And third one is bias. AI generated dialogue, creatures, or behaviors may inadvertently reproduce stereotypes from training data. So you have to have like diverse data set and human oversight. And the fourth one is data privacy. Adaptive AI systems that analyze player behavior must collect and process user data. This raises concerns about profiling, long-term data storage, and player consent. And the fifth one is loss of human intent. This is the same thing. Like if you use too much procedural words, like in the No Man's Sky's case, that this can lack of intentional design, intentional environment design, and over reliance on AI systems. Heavy dependence on generative tools may standardize visual styles or reduce innovation. To conclude, AI has shaped games from early rule-based systems like chess to advanced models such as AlphaStar. Today, AI drives decision-making, strategy, adaptive difficulty, and entire generated worlds. Recent developments like Ubisoft's Ghostwriter and No Man's Sky show how AI is transforming both gameplay and production. But progress brings more important ethical questions about transparency, creativity, fairness, privacy, and the role of human designers. The future of AI in games depends on balance, integration. AI should enhance creativity and not replace the artists or like developers. And thank you for the resources, and thank you for listening.